I think like every girl or everyone goes through in your life and you always wondering the soulmate, right? It's a girl thing. What's my Prince Charming? Where's the guy who will save me in that white horse?
Not like knight in shining
White
armor.
horse. Oh, in Chinese we have this thing called Pak Ma Mong Ji. That means prince on a white horse. And
Knight
that
in
is
shining
supposed
armor.
to be like a fairy tale thing that damsel in distress, and then this guy will come, a prince in white horse comes and rescue you, sweep you off your feet, and they live happily ever after. Like that. I think I can go on and on and on. The list goes on, like what a soulmate is, but I don't know. The one. Realistically, it's the combination of the person who have, of course, a lot of things in common with you, share the same goal in life, whether short-term goal or long-term goal. Someone who you love and who equally loves you, and which is very, very hard in this world. There are billions of people. To find somebody to love you may be easy. To find somebody that you fall in love with is easy. But to find the combination of that
It's hard.
is hard. Yeah. And, I think maybe in everyone's life there are many, many great love in a person's life. There's a saying,
Hindi, siya din.
there are all kinds of love
Sabi
in
ko,
this
and
world,
you too.
but never the same love twice. So everyone you've ever experienced, whether it's the love for your mother, or your first boyfriend, second boyfriend, or eventual husband, can never be repeated or duplicated. It will never be the same. And because of that, we treasure each and every one who we're with. So basically, the one, as we go through, failed relationship, first boyfriend, eventually the soulmate is the one who, from your life experiences, is the one who,
It's the love of your life.
yeah, give you everything you're looking for with compromises, and that will be able to share your love, your pain, and that strengthens you and lifts you up and allows you to do the same to him. So,
Have you found
and
him?
the list goes on.
Have you found him?
If I have, I'll be married now. Yeah, so not yet.
Okay, Echo. It's your turn.
I would really pay attention to the word, the soulmate. Soulmate. Even before it, parang soulmate, sa Muslim note pa yun, Muslim book,
Thank you for showing me.
like to me, parang, I don't know, don't really, parang, never believed in that.
It's a guy thing. Guys don't usually believe in soulmate. It's a lie. Guys are from Mars. We are
From Venus.
Venus believes in it.
Well, the Republic of Mars, City of Venus.
It's the other way around.
Soulmate, as I would never, I'm looking at it now, it's like soul. What makes my soul healthy and happy is music, is acting, is surfing, is my friends, and just sitting down or doing things that I love to do. Having a soulmate will be, of course, right now, as I would like to I'll try to understand it. It's from the opposite sex, diba? And a soulmate is that one person, just like what Carmen said, will inspire you to make music, will inspire you to be at your top all the time. That person that will push you to be at your best. That person that will make your soul really healthy. That's a soulmate. And it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to marry that person, or that person should be your husband or wife. Diba? It would be best. It would be best para maiwasan yung jealousy. Kasi if you have a husband and iba yung soulmate mo, iba yung no, I mean, if you have a soulmate, diba, parang it's, for me, that's how parang ganun yung pagkakaintindi ko sa kanya. And someone who will inspire you talaga, push you, diba, parang, and best pa rin if you can marry that person really supports you all the way, diba, parang, in parang general case naman talaga, parang you fall in love with that person. Because, it, naturally you fall in love with that person. And talagang you'd love to have that person all the time. See that person all the time. Distance would really matter. And the level of understanding.
Yeah, it has to be.
It takes a lot. It takes a lot. There are many things. And for me, I have, kunyari, myself, I would have to work on being a soulmate to someone before having a soulmate of my own. Diba? So I would find a soulmate in time.
All right.
Thank